Hello, Sonny. Hello. You're not supposed to stand on that platform. I'm doing some bird observation, but at the moment there are no birds, so I have to wait a bit. In this cold, there are no birds to observe. They all moved south. It would be best to observe some birds on a different location. There is a new attraction in the park. The new attraction is actually some kind of new helicopter type, which gets demonstrated in this park. You're telling me here is a helicopter platform for helicopters? I thought this was a bird platform, observation platform, right? You better get off the platform now.
Hello, sir.
Yes, can I try? Can you try it out?
Yes, sure.
I don't have the money,
Okay.
but I have some nice silver.
Yeah, okay.
See,
Okay.
this silver works. Just don't forget, keep your eyes on the skies.
Okay, you get to the coins.
All right, thank you. You can blow it if you like,
Oh, okay.
whenever you will.
Okay.
All right, I can do this 3 times. Let's see what happens. What's happening? Oh, what kind of strange sound is that? That can't be a helicopter. It must be mating season for those moles. I don't even worry. That can observe a bird there. Wow. There is more to observe at statues these days.